All right, for this problem, we are looking for the critical numbers of the function. That means we need to figure out two things. One, where does the derivative equal 0? And where does the derivative not exist? For both of those, the very first thing I have to do then is figure out what the derivative is. So start there. And so we end up getting the derivative equals 3x squared minus 12. Now I always like to think about the does not exist part first, oftentimes because I can very quickly rule it out. In this case, you'll notice that 3x squared minus 12, that's just a nice pretty little polynomial function. That it will never hit a point where it does not exist because we're not trying to take a square root of something and we're not trying to divide by x. So it will always exist. We can take care of that part now. So then I can just focus on what is going to make the whole thing equal 0. And so we go 0 equals 3x squared minus 12, and we solve from there. So I can add the 12 to both sides, and then I can go ahead and divide both sides by the 3. And then I can take the square root of both sides. And so x equals what? 2? Well, half right. Remember that if I'm taking the square root of both sides, I have to also include the plus or minus. So x would actually equal 2 or negative 2 in this case.